That next time. Are you okay now, Steve?
Yes, Doctor.
What's more urgent is that we caught the person who tried to kill Jamie.
What? Doctor, who is he?
Not he. She. Si Ava.
Nasabi ko na nga, pe.
Let me help, Dr. Hope.
Ava.
Matagal ko na din pong gustong maging part ng Voltes team. And I am as qualified as Jamie. Let me prove myself. I want to be part of the Voltes team because I deserve it. And if you think that I'm that desperate, ba't hindi na lang ikaw yung pinatay ko?
I always thought na siya lang yung pwedeng gumawa nito. Wala lang akong enough evidence to prove it.
Pero ako may nakuhang ebidensya. And that's enough for her to be locked up for good.
Doctor, where is she now? Doctor. Where is she? So, it was you all along.
Yung kaibigan mo, she tried to assassinate me. She tried to shoot me!
Madali mo na ma-execute ang plano natin.
Ang daming matang nakabantay kay Jamie ngayon.
Na hindi mo magagawang deal natin. You know what's at stake if nag-back out ka?
Sensya na, Ma'am Jamie. Kailangan ko lang gawin to.
Jamie, can I talk to you?
Pero kapag nahuli mo, idadamay kita.
Subukan mo lang idamay.
I can't believe na kaya mong pumatay ng tao para lang masolo si Steve. Kanya ka ba talaga ka-desperate, Ava?
Why? Aren't we the same?
Don't you ever dare compare yourself to me. I tried to save lives habang ikaw, you tried to ruin mine.
Ako lang bang mapanakit dito? Didn't you just ruin Mark's life? Di dahil part ka ng team, you consider yourself as a heroine. Walang bayaning nananakit ng kapwa.
Alam kong hindi ako perfect. Pero at least ako, nakukonsensya ako. At nagigilty ako sa ginawa kong mali at inaamin ko yun. Unlike you.
Truth is, I would do it again. And next time, mapapatay na kita!
And I will be waiting. And I will be ready for you. But for now, good luck with your date with the Judge Advocate General. Good luck.